Every day, cyber attacks are happening all around us, from data breaches to identity theft and corporate hacks. But behind the scenes, there's a digital defender working to stop them. That defender is a computer hacking forensic investigator, or CHFI. A CHFI is a cybersecurity expert trained to investigate cybercrimes, recover lost or deleted data, and track down hackers by analyzing digital footprints. They work closely with law enforcement, legal teams, and IT departments to solve digital crimes and present evidence in court. Using advanced forensic tools, they can uncover who did what, when, and how, turning complex data into clear evidence. CHFIs are essential in today's world of digital threats. Whether it's protecting financial systems, government networks, or private data, they play a critical role in cybersecurity. Train with experienced professionals, gain hands-on forensic skills, and earn your globally recognized CHFI certification, right here with SysCare. Contact us now.